Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many developers encounter when working with Java applications. The issue at hand revolves around integrating an older version of an application developed using Ant into a Maven project. Specifically, we're facing a snag with an import statement for javax.swing.filechooser.filesystemView in one of our Java classes. This problem is causing an error due to module visibility constraints within Maven. Now, let's delve into the solution for this pesky problem. The key to resolving this issue lies in explicitly stating the requirement for the java.desktop module within your module info.java file. By including the line requires java.desktop, you ensure that Maven can access the necessary Swing classes, including FileSystemView, for your application to function smoothly. In summary, tackling module visibility issues within Maven projects often involves explicitly declaring dependencies in a module info.java file. By requiring the java.desktop module, you pave the way for seamless integration of Swing classes like FileSystemView into your Java application. And there you have it, a quick fix to a common stumbling block in Java development. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and solutions. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!